Hey guys, it's itsemilyana. Welcome back to my channel.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny...
I don't think I've ever filmed down here, but this is my basement and it's just gonna be easier to film here than at school or anywhere else. I already tried filming this at school. I'm gonna make tie blankets. I was trying to do this with a bunch of friends, but that ended up not working out. So I'm gonna do it myself because I bought 6 blankets and I want to donate all of them. So it's really easy if you guys have it. You could buy a kit from Joann's. There's like 2 different sizes. I have the smaller size. Then other things you may need is a ruler, a Sharpie, good scissors. Don't get bad scissors. You're gonna regret it. You need good scissors. If you wanna pre-make a 5x5 square and not use a Sharpie, go ahead, do whatever. I think the 5x5 is gonna be a bit easier. But let's get straight into it because I do want a few DIY stuff for Christmas to spread this out. So I already placed it already. And this is probably find the biggest space in your house to do this, because you need a lot of room. Lay your 2 fabrics. It's gonna come with 2 fabrics on top of each other, and the messiest side of the fabric facing in. You want the nicer part facing out. That's the only way I could possibly explain it. The messier one is usually a softer material to say. It's more fringed. It's easier for the patterns because you see the pattern is a bit disordered a little bit. And then place them as close on top of each other as possible. I'm gonna use this area to work. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this. Go on YouTube and you find multiple ways. I've seen where people cut a lot, they'll cut all around the 4 corners, because especially for this, it rolls up. It's really weird, but honestly I don't waste my time doing that, because sometimes afterwards I'll cut those off and I'll cut it shorter. But I think how I'm going to show you guys is I'm taking a 5x5 square, but if not, just go 5x5 with a Sharpie. Do whatever you feel is right, and you could do all 4 corners first, or only start with 2 and then cut the other 2 later. Do whatever makes you feel best. Honestly, I am going to do little dots right here though, not much. And the reason why I do it on the red is most people aren't gonna use it that way anyways, so doing it on the back side won't screw anyone up. These scissors are a lot better than the last time I did this because I didn't have the best scissors. I'm going to do it the same on this side. And you could either make dots or eyeball it. I've eyeballed it a bunch of times, but I'm taking my ruler, making a dot at every 1 inch. I did all my dotting, and then what I do is I cut straight line. You can make a straight line and do a full draw if that's more comfortable. But I kind of just go based off of the 5 inches, and I'll do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the corners and strips just like this. I just cut all 1 inch up to the 5. Now I'm gonna do the rest of the sides and then I'll be back. So I'm back. I cut and then I tied these 2 sides. I did have to come back show you guys. Tying, you could go 2 ways. You could take apart the 2 strands and tie them together like this. But what I've been trying for this blanket, because I've never done this before with any of my blankets, is take the 2 strands together and tie big knot. So you could either tie like this, tie them together. I would double knot it if you do it that way. If not, you're doing it the way I'm doing this blanket, which for some reason is really hard because I don't think one of these is cut through all the way. Let's get that. Okay. So you take the 2 strands and it's kind of hard to get used to. Tie them fully together. And you could do 2 knots if you could get them tied like that. I think it's a bit hard, and because it's a bit of a tighter knot than tying them together, I think you'd be fine. You just keep doing that around the whole blanket, and then what I've been doing, I've been cutting them because some of them are uneven, and some of them I'm just cutting off like the Sharpie. So then I cut the Sharpie in to get them even, and then you just keep doing that. That was shaky. The whole blanket, which is what I'm gonna do now. So future Emily, my camera full on like stopped, so like I don't have the footage, I don't have the like blanket with me, but I can tell you it's super cute. I recommend you doing this, and even with a bunch of friends, and I'm sure you've like seen this. This started trending on TikTok because it was like a Halloween thing, like get Halloween blankets and make them with your friends. Like that's so fun. I recommend doing it for Christmas and then donating them. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want any more DIY videos. I'm definitely gonna do some more of this Vlogmas. Like, subscribe, all that. All my links are down below. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and peace. Bye.